All right. Simple DIY idea. But first, please like and subscribe and give a big thumbs up. First of all, the flooring that I'm on, this is a laminate type flooring. There is an underlayment under it. So you do need an underlayment. And right here where I'm putting this first piece that I just went and cut. Best way to cut this is with a jigsaw, believe it or not. Tried a bunch of different ways, and a jigsaw works great for this type of flooring. The piece I just put down, I bumped it up to the laminate. I mean, not the laminate, but I bumped it up to the transition strip. And you can use any scrap piece as long as the back side of the piece, not the piece with the angle on it, but the square piece, has the snap together groove on it. So it all locks together perfectly. And I didn't put no underlayment under them two pieces just because, like I said, this is just a video to give someone an idea on how they can run hardwood, laminate, any tongue and groove, snap together type flooring. This is a different way to do it. I've looked online, I've looked on YouTube, and I didn't see no one really showing people how to do it like this. That's the outside of a corner right there where I started the first piece, and the metal transition strip runs to the inside of another corner. That's just a narrow hallway. That's two narrow hallways about, I don't know, 4 foot wide maybe, that run into each other. And this is just a beautiful way to do it. Just a beautiful way to do it. Right here, I just went and cut the top of my transition strip. The metal part is the bottom of it. And this part here just snaps into that metal groove. Snaps into that metal groove. And it just makes it seamless. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I got to looking at it because I actually have another piece of transition strip that I hadn't cut yet. And I want to see if the colors might look better. So that's actually what I'm getting right now. Is another piece. That's it right there. It's a more gray. That's where I could put it. So I'm like, nah, I ain't working with that. So I decided to keep everything. Like, I actually don't do no more flooring in this video. Spoiler alert. But maybe when I'm done, I might show what it looks like finished. But this is just to give someone an idea on an idea of a different way to run it. You know, because like I said, I don't see nobody doing it like this. I hadn't seen no instructionals like this. Nothing. So this is just to give you an idea on a different way to do it. And hey, if you have any questions or any comments, leave it in the comment section. But like I said, I know underlayment goes under the flooring. It's under. You can actually see it hanging past the transition strip before I put my other two pieces down. So I'm aware that I had to put my underlayment under. Like I said, this is just a quick idea I had to show someone before I covered it up or before I finished it. A different way to run this hardwood. So hope everyone likes. And again, please subscribe and leave your comments. But that's basically it. Have a nice day. Peace.